So what's up guys, welcome to my vlog. This is not gonna be any sort of normal vlog where I rant about stuff. I'm just gonna say that I'm going towards the MCN Motorcycle Show at Excel, London. So this is where I'm going right now on A406. Pretty much I'll follow A406 till the end, when it then changes to Woolwich Ferry and then A205. So I'll be doing that. And in this vlog, in this video, I plan to give you some kind of highlights. So that's why I'm starting it here. So I'll give you some highlights, some footages from the show and stuff like that. And then I'll release other proper videos where I'll detail everything and stuff like that. All the performances and stuff like that will be detailed on other videos. So that's my plan at least. And this one will be just snippets and with music perhaps, stuff like that. Kind of like a promotional video, something like that. So yeah, I'm very excited. Hope you enjoy watching it as well. If you haven't had the chance to go there yourself, you will have the chance to see most of the stuff over there, as I will be doing pictures and stuff like this. Now my pictures will be on Instagram, I think much sooner than the videos. So do go to my Instagram and you can view those pictures as well. I don't know why I'm saying that, because the videos will come out later, so pointless. But yeah, anyway, go to Instagram if you want to see my you want to see my photos from that event. So yeah, we'll see. I'll show you new bikes as much as I can, with different angles and everything like that. So hope you enjoy that, and here's the montage.
the Ducati and stuff. So I'm desperate to find out what I'm going to get. Noisy side, we're putting an order in for a few, but wait and see.
Well, there's a lot of noise going on. That is Kawasaki bringing one round. So this is the ZX10 limited edition special version.
Yeah, it's the RR, and on my way, it's got a number 9 on the front.
Well, Chris, Kawasaki have a surprise for you, mate, because they've done one for you. How about that? Look at that! Limited edition. That's a gift from Kawasaki to Chris Walker. How about that?
I'll tell you what, I was so nervous when they asked me to come down. There's about 30 bikes in my showroom that I haven't paid for yet. And when they said they got something for me, I thought it was going to be an invoice for about £250,000, so I'm well happy.
Well done, man.
Right guys, so I'm back, coming back from the MCN Motorcycle Show. I've been there for over 3 hours, and to tell you the truth, I was getting, because I had to stay in my pants, which are for winter. It wasn't the best idea though, because it was very hot, and after an hour I think I had to go inside the toilet and actually take off my kind of a thermal layer, which fortunately I could take off, so that would be more bearable. But either way, it was very hot over there, so I suggest taking some clothes for change, perhaps. So changing your clothes would be great if you go by bike. Now, I've did loads of pictures and videos with my TomTom camera. It's just that my TomTom camera died, so I used up all the battery. I had to record with my drift, and I did record with my drift a bit. I did some pictures with drift, and in overall I have lots of footage, but we'll see what which footage is usable or not. As I said, I cannot really review the footage while I don't have a computer. So I need a computer in order to review the footage, because I don't have a screen to view the footage on. So if I had a proper camera, like those big ones like photographers use, if I had that, I could just check it, right? But because I don't have that, I couldn't check it. So there goes that. Anyway, I'm on my way back. Hope you enjoyed that. This will be a kind of final message for the promotional kind of video. So all the kind of highlights I will do video, and then I'll also upload all the stuff like Thunderdrome, which I did a couple of videos of. So I'll upload Thunderdrome, I'll upload all the stands that I visited. I pretty much visited all the stands, but I just didn't do pictures of videos. I mostly did videos at the beginning, but then I decided I won't do that, and I would just do some pictures, because I would be there till 3 or 4 o'clock, and in those motorcycle clothes, it's not the best idea to do so. If I had a change of clothes and perhaps just normal shoes and stuff like that, which people actually bring. People actually did bring them. So I would have no problem, sitting there till 3 o'clock. But my camera started to die. So my TomTom camera died. I didn't have any battery, so I couldn't charge it even if I wanted to. And I pretty much saw the bikes and everything. I was mostly interested in Japanese bikes, which you'll probably see because these were. So I checked Suzuki, I checked Kawasaki's, I checked Hondas, Yamahas. So I checked those. I've been to a Ducati kind of booth and couple of others. I did a lot of pictures actually of the old retro bikes and kind of custom built bikes. So I did pictures of that. You will see that on Instagram. And I'll have a couple of categories where you will have, for example, custom build, and then you have those custom build, and so on. Because I can upload only 10 pictures on Instagram at once, as far as I remember. So those will be available to you on Instagram. If you haven't followed me over there yet, I would suggest doing that. And besides that, other videos will be available on YouTube, so you can have a look at that. So yeah, 3 hours of footage pretty much. Maybe not 3 hours of footage because I've been there 3 hours, but I didn't record every second of it. So, but about 1.5 hours of footage I have, if not more. So I have to go through the editing and stuff like that, and then decide what to use, what not to use. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe, add to favorites, like it, share it, and do visit in the future, as I will post more MCN stuff in the future, where I just get this stuff edited and everything like that. So do visit in the future. And if you want to, you can follow me on Instagram. On Instagram you will see most of the pictures I did, so I won't be posting them on YouTube. This will be Instagram only thing. So if you want to see those pictures, go to Instagram and get those pictures. Then there is my novel, which is called Limits, and if you want to, you can read that on web novel. Right now there's over 160 chapters available on web novel of my novel called Limits. All the links are in the description below. Now if you live in North London or East London or something like that, and you need a good mechanic, go visit Zenith Motorcycles. I'll add the link below. They're a very good motorcycle workshop, a very good garage. I never had any problems with them whenever I use them, and they help out as much as they can. They do whatever they can. You can buy your own parts, so they don't have to supply the parts. You can supply your own parts and they will do the job for you. So they can supply the parts if you want to, but if you want to buy your own parts and bring it to them, they have no problem with that. And I found that there are some mechanics who will not allow you that. So that's a good thing, because you can find the parts you want, especially, and then give it to them and they just change it for you and ask you for labor costs. That's it. So I do recommend them. The link is in the description as well. They do not pay me for that whatsoever. I am just recommending them because I think they're worth being recommended. So I'm recommending them, and if you are in the vicinity, check the website. If you're in the vicinity, I do recommend using them if you have some issues with your bike, or even if you want to do some kind of oil changes and stuff like this and you don't know how to do it yourself, or you don't want to do it yourself, you can go pay them. Alright, that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. Stay well, stay safe, and blast out.